Here we are going to start a new course, Fundamentals of Python. Introduction to Python we have completed, and there were 4 modules. I have uploaded the videos for you. Now it's your job to practice Introduction to Python, and this is the new course, Fundamental of Pythons. Here I will again explain to you few more new things, and I will try my best to make the things easy for you. So first lecture is accessing a single string character. We have discussed string in detail in the last course, but here I am going to explain you one more time that what is a string. Actually, strings are sequence of characters. Now, what is the meaning of sequences of characters? Means whatever letters you have, whatever symbol you have on your keypad, you can take the example, suppose lowercase ABC or uppercase or symbols or counting. These are called the characters. Or keep in mind that strings always you have to write down in single quotation or double quotation. So strings are the sequences of characters. Second point is sequences index items counting from 0 for the first item. This is the new thing. So what is the meaning of the second line? I'm going to explain you here, but before going to start, I will give you the example of the string C student underscore name equal to Sima, and this is the string. That is why you have to write down in the quotation. If we are going to print student underscore name, see print student underscore name, there is no need to put quotation because this is the variable, and variable is equal to the string, which is equal to Sima, and Sima I have written in quotation. So see what happens. See, when we run this code, Sima complete spelling Saima is here. So the topic under discussion is second, sequences index items counting from 0 for the first item. It means we can access a single character in a string. Suppose in Sima, if we want to print only I, if we want to access only A, right? So how we can print? These are called the indexes. So see, student underscore name is Sima, and here I have written one comment. First character is at index 0. So see, there are 5 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always keep in mind in index, first character is at index 0. So I will count 0. If I want to print S, I will write down 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here see, I will make it 0 first. 0. So how you will run this code? Student underscore name and in a square bracket. This is the rule for index. Yes, you have to write down the index in a square bracket and then run. See, S will come up here. S. So this is the second point. Sequences index items counting from 0 for the first item. So see, S is the first item. Always you have to count the index from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now if I want this M, right? So what you will say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is not in the fourth position. You have to count from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. You have to write down 3 here, and when we will run this code, see M will come up here. So one more example. This is the long name, Ashwak. Student underscore name is equal to Ashwak. This is the string. You have to write down in a string. So see, first of all, we will count how many character it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 characters. If you want to print 7, so see, you have to start from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to print E, then this is 7. Why? There are 8 characters, but you have to start from 0. So see, if I say 7, so E will come up. If you want to print this F, so 0, 1, 2, 3. When we will write down 3 here, then F will come. Do not count from 1, 1, 2, 3. This is the important thing. You have to start. See, first character is at index 0. And now what is the difference? See here the same thing. The student underscore name is Saima, and here is the output is in the quotation. Here output is not in the quotation. So see the differences. If you will write down only the variable name, student underscore name, so the quotation will come. But if you will write the function, this is the print, and then you have to use the parenthesis print, then there is no quotation. These are the simple examples. Now here, student underscore name is Rehana, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 characters, right? But you have to start from 0. R, if you want to print R, so print student underscore name and then square bracket 0. In this example, I will show you all the positions of R, E, H, A, and A, right? When we will run this, so it will say R, E, H, A, and A. This is the 0. R is in the 0 index and 1 and 2 and so on. Right? Same example one more time. If you want to write down something in front of here or here, right, what you have to do, what is the difference? So see, after this square bracket I have put a bracket here, parenthesis. But if you want to write down something, you have to remove this parenthesis and then put comma, and then quotation you have to write down first character as at index 0. This is the difference. See, only the parenthesis. So when I will run this, what will happen? This line will also appear. First character at index 0. Right? Okay, one more example. Here I have set a bar underscore name. This is the chocolate bar name, Butterfinger. See how many characters? B, U, T, T, E, R, F, I, N, G, E, R. Here I have used if, elif, and else condition. Same in accessing, what we are doing, accessing a single string character. Now we are using if, elif, and else. So bar underscore name is Butterfinger. If bar underscore name, see this is the index 0, means if it starts from B or the first index is equal to, here I have written Z, right? Or I will make the second one B first, then I will change it. So always you know that first the system will evaluate the first if condition. If it is false, then it will move to the elif. So if bar underscore name first index 0 is the first index is equal to Z, which is false, it is B. So the system will not print this, it will check to the elif. Bar underscore first index 0 is equal to B. B, yes, it is B. So it will print bar name starts with B. Okay, we will run and see bar name starts with B. But if I will make this the first condition B, right, and we will change this to C, suppose. What the system will do, again the system will evaluate the first if condition. If bar underscore name first index 0 means first index equal to B, which is true, and you know the meaning of dot lower, it removes the case sensitivity. Here I have put capital B, here is the small b. So if I will remove this word, so it will not print this line. You can do this, is your job. You have to practice it because we have discussed this so many times in first course. So first condition is true, the system will print the first line. See here, name starts with B. Now we will change to A. Again, system will start from here. If the bar, the first index starts from A, which is false, it will move to the second. It starts from C, no, then it will move to the else. Could not find a match. When we will run, then you will see could not find a match. Please try again, Butterfinger. So here we have used if, elif, and else condition in accessing a single string character. One more time. because I have written 2 or 3 examples. I am just trying to make things easy for you actually. So student underscore name is equal to Khalid here. If system and student underscore name this one, and this square bracket 0 means first index is G, which is false. It will move to Aleph. The first index is J, no, then print. So it will move to the else, no match, try again. If I will make it K here, if I will make K here, so it is true because the zero index is K. So see, the first line will print. Yes, name starts with K, Khalid. So in this lesson, you have learned how to access a single string character. And these 2 points are important. Strings are sequences of characters, sequences, index items, counting from 0 for the first item. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.